few days ago, I start my coffee homepage. This is a new platform for e-baking theory for you to continue to forward, to have some PDF content, or even you can attend at some class with me on one-to-one directly, or even in group. We have a different price, not very high on the price, because I want to talk to everyone around the world, then casual to professional. Sometimes, why I create this channel. This is because I have some students ask me why my bread goes through some like this today. Why my croissant doesn't look good today. This is exactly why I'm do that. This is to answer on some question on typical focus, or even the one-to-one class. This is to have 1 hour to sit with me and discuss about the bread. Ask me any question. This is why we can improve your baking and your bread. So I hope really this content help you